Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. If you are bored with the plain Android keyboard, we are going to tell you about an app or a keyboard that gives you cute emotions, color keyboard and a new look to type. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app Smiley Emoji Keyboard 2018. Here is the app. Install this app. Ask for permission. 5 million people already downloaded it. 4.7 rating. New in it is never lose anything you have copied. Type easier. Emoji Keyboard Cute Emotions is a free, smart and colorful emoji keyboard Android that helps you to fast input over 800 cute emojis. Awesome features of this keyboard: custom emoji keyboard, beautiful keyboard theme, use different themes, stylish fonts, smart emoji prediction, swipe input, gesture input, auto correction, word prediction, multiple languages, privacy. It's updated on 23rd March 2018. App is installed now. Open it. It takes a little time. Enable the keyboard. Click got it. Enable emoji keyboard from here. Click OK. Select emoji keyboard. Click over here. It's selected. From here you can choose the theme. I select this theme. It's not looking good. I change the theme. Change the theme again. It's downloading. Here is the new theme. Click next. Here choose button style. Choose button shape. Click next. Here you can choose the font. Choose click sound. It's installed now. Here is the keyboard. Here you can add the emojis. Lots of emojis available here. You can add flags. You can add these also. Download new emojis also. GIFs available. You can add GIFs. Let's see how it works with a message or Facebook or WhatsApp. Create a new message. Here is your keyboard. You can add emojis, GIFs and other things. Select box. So you see how this keyboard works. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.